Students, in today's class we'll discuss the very important reaction from this amine topics, that is a carbylamine reaction. So students, so many times in exam they will ask the questions on the basis of this carbylamine reaction. Okay, in NEET as well as JEE exam. So carbylamine reaction, we can say it is an isocyanide test. Okay, so it is an isocyanide test. So this reaction is nothing but we can test the primary amine only, not a secondary and tertiary. By using this isocyanide test, we can check whether it is a primary, secondary or tertiary amine. Okay, means by using the test, we can check only primary amines, not a secondary and tertiary. Means only aliphatic and aromatic amine, primary amines we can check by using this isocyanide test. We can see it is a carbylamine reaction. Just see, it is very interesting reaction. First of all, I will explain the how reaction will proceed, and then we will explain the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, so mechanism also very interesting, students. Just check it. So here I am taking the amine, 1 degree amine. We can just check it. Okay, so 1 degree amine reacts with chloroform. Okay, and alcoholic KOH. Base we can use here. Chloroform, what I am taking, 1 degree amine, then chloroform, then KOH. Okay, so in this reaction we will get what? Isocyanide. When we will get the isocyanide? When only primary amine is there. That time only we will get isocyanide. So in secondary and tertiary amine, we can't get the isocyanide. Okay, so just see how we will get the isocyanide. In mechanism in detail we will check it. So easily isocyanide and C, R and C, or we can say it is what? R and triple bond C. Okay, nitrogen and carbon always having the triple bond. We can see this what? Isocyanide. Okay, and here 3 KCl will remove because 3 chlorine are there. 3 KCl and then 3 OH group also there. So 3 water molecule will remove. So we'll just check it how this mechanism will going on. So just see the reaction. We'll take on the 1 degree amine. Then we can take on the chloroform CHCl3. Then alcoholic KOH we can take. Simply we will get here isocyanide. Okay, 3 KCl and 3 water molecule will remove. Okay students, just see the mechanism of this reaction. So this is very interesting reaction. So this mechanism they are not given in your NCERT books also. Okay, just see how this mechanism is going on. Okay, so first what we are using in this reaction, we can using this CHCl3 is nothing but what? Chloroform. Okay, so here I am using the chloroform. Okay, so first I have taken the chloroform. Chloroform is CHCl3, means 3 chlorine group are there. So this is carbon, then this is hydrogen, this CH. Okay, and then 3 Cl I am joining like this Cl, again this Cl, and again this Cl. Okay, means CHCl3 is nothing but what? This is what? Chloroform. So this chloroform here again we can use in the base, that is a KOH. So it reacts with KOH. Okay students, so in that KOH, so this K carry the plus charge and this OH carry the minus charge. Okay, so it is what? Nucleophile. So this nucleophile will attack, means here, and then it can abstract this hydrogen. What happen now? This OH means from this base, this OH will abstract this hydrogen. Now what happens students? This 2 electron will shift it towards this carbon because this 3 chlorides are there. They are more electronegative atoms. They can abstract the electron toward itself. Now this 2 electron, so this OH will abstract this hydrogen. Now what happens? This 2 electron will shift it toward this carbon. So here what will get? This intermediate here will get by losing the water molecules. This OH and this H2 will remove, and simply what will get here? CCl3, means CCl3 here lone pair of electrons, it carry the minus charge because this electron will shift. It is the electron center. Okay, so again what happened? This K and this Cl, 1 Cl, this K and 1 Cl, KCl will remove. Simply here we will get what? Dichlorocarbon. This is very important steps. Okay, dichlorocarbon. This is very important step. This act as a electrophiles. Okay students, dichlorocarbon. So in NEET and JEE exam, most of the time they are asking this question. So during the how they are asking the questions in carbylamine reaction, in the mechanism, which is intermediates. So intermediate which one? Dichlorocarbon. Okay, you remember this dichlorocarbon. Okay students, so how will get this intermediate? Just check it again. I repeat. So what I mean here, this 3 Cl are there. Again this K and this KCl remove. Okay, then Cl, only 2 Cl will remain, Cl2C. and here lone pair of electron. Cl2C is nothing but what? Dichlorocarbene. Two chlorines are there and this is a carbene. Okay, and now this dichlorocarbene reacts with amine. Just check how this reaction proceed. Here I am taken the 1 degree amine. So this is a 1 degree amine. Okay, so this is what? Dichlorocarbene. This carbon having the 2 Cl group. So this is what? Dichlorocarbene. Okay, so this is dichlorocarbene. So you know this 1 degree amine, this has a lone pair of electron. So this will attack on this carbonyl group. Here they will attack. So whatever students, here will get one intermediate step. Whole group will join here. Just take it. This R as it is. Then this nitrogen as it is. Then this 2 hydrogen as it is. Just take it. Okay. So now because of when this NH2 group will join here. Now this carry the plus charge. Now this carbon as it is and this 2Cl as it is. Okay, but now it is an unstable form. Okay, so again it reacts with what? KOH base. Here I am using the KOH base. So from this KOH, OH minus will attack on this H plus ion. So what happens student now? So simply when this will attack here, the bond will break. So this 2 electron will shifted here. This OH and this H2 will remove, and again this K and this Cl, one more Cl. This bond will break simultaneously. Okay, this KCl will remove like this. Okay, now double bond will come here. Then this R as it is, then NH as it is. Now double bond will come because this Cl also remove, and this 2 electron will shifted. Here double bond will come. Then this carbon as it is, then this Cl as it is. Now this nitrogen now carry the plus charge, and this carbon will carry the minus charge. Now clear up to this mechanism. So just see how we will get these intermediates. Okay, so again we can take the base KOH. Okay, here we can take 3 times 3 KOH. Okay, KOH again it reacts with KOH. Again this nucleophile base we attack to this hydrogen. Okay, so here I am taking this base OH minus. So you can abstract this hydrogen. Now what happened? So this 2 electron will shifted. Okay, and this K and this Cl, KCl will remove like this. KCl. Now this 2 electron will shift means here triple bond will come, and simply here we will get what? Isocyanide. Just check it. R, then this N as it is because this hydrogen is removed. OH and this H2 will remove like this. Okay. So now Rn as it is. Now this electron will shift means triple bond will come. Already double bond is there. 2 electron will add in this. The triple bond is there. R and triple bond C. So this is what? Isocyanide. Okay, so this is very important mechanism. So one more important thing student in this reaction given only 1 degree amine means primary aliphatic amine or primary aromatic amine will use. Not a secondary or tertiary amine do not show this test. Means isocyanide test secondary and tertiary amine do not shows. Okay, so just check the mechanism. Very simple mechanism. What were given in the mechanism? First of all, in this reaction you can using the chloroform. So this chloroform first of all you take, and that chloroform reacts with KOH means base. Okay, so already here also you can using the base. So by using this KOH, here we get the dichlorocarbene. 2 times you can react here. Dichlorocarbene, this is the intermediates. This is very important step. Okay, dichlorocarbene is very important steps. Okay, again KOH reacts to this intermediates. Now what happened? Dichlorocarbene. This dichlorocarbene will attack to this 1 degree amine. Now first we can prepare the intermediates, that is dichlorocarbene, and that dichlorocarbene reacts with now 1 degree amine. Here I have taken the 1 degree amine RNH2. Then this dichlorocarbene, this group will attack here. Then intermediates will get. Again it reacts with KOH, means water molecule will remove and KCl will remove. Here we will get R, NH, double bond C, Cl. Again you can use KOH because 3 times you can using the KOH, and it loses the KCl and water molecule also, and simply here we will get what? Isocyanide. Okay students, so this is very important reaction for your competitive exam. You have to practice the mechanism. Okay, so in next class we will discuss the another chemical reactions of amines. So thank you so much for watching this video.